friends. So today I want to show you something that may come in handy for you web developers, but this will come in handy for anybody. I'm relatively new to the Mac, or back to the Mac, as it were. Actually, that's a great name for a channel, Back to the Mac. I use a lot of Windows machines, but I'm playing around with this, and I'm on my own YouTube channel, so don't worry about this, what I'm going to do next. So what I'm going to show you is, I'm going to go up here, I'm going to view the page source. Go show page source. And now I'm going to search, I want to see what keywords I put on this video, if any. But I don't want to have to like read all this until I come down to keywords. So what I want to do is I want to find the word keywords. So how do you do that? Well, you hit Command F, and that brings up this little box right over here, and you can type whatever you want in there. I'm going to type keyword, and then you can hit this little, right here it says search. You can hit this, done, and it will search for, oh, I'm sorry, it went away. Let's do that again. Command F, and then keyword is in there, and then hit return. It'll find keyword anywhere you can, you'll find it. So that's where keyword is. It'll come up right there. And I don't think these are the keywords from my channel. Anyway, but that's how you do control. That's how you find text on a Mac as opposed to a PC. Command F. So, all right, guys. It's Control F on Windows, by the way. So substitute Command for Control, and that's the difference between a Mac and a PC. So if this helped you, go ahead and smash like, and I'll see you on the next one. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Thanks.